Welcome back to day 3 of our toolkit for transforming your health with mindfulness techniques. Today's focus is on developing mindfulness and stress management techniques to help manage chronic conditions. Research shows that mindfulness can significantly improve both your physical and emotional well-being. Healthcare providers often use these techniques to achieve better health outcomes, especially for those with chronic pain. One simple yet powerful method is the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Here's how you do it. Place your tongue behind your upper teeth. Now take a moment and inhale through your nose for 4 counts. You may need to check with your healthcare provider to be sure these breathing lengths are safe for your body. Then hold your breath for 7 counts. Again, you can modify the length of this portion of the exercise. You may require practice at certain lengths of time first before reaching a higher number. So 5 might be better for now instead of 7. Afterward, exhale through your mouth for 8 counts. Then be sure to repeat this cycle 3 or 4 times, or however long your body is comfortable doing this. You may need to modify the length of the breathing depending on your health requirements. Regular practice of this technique can help you manage negative thoughts about pain, making it easier to cope with discomfort. Next, let's talk about progressive muscle relaxation, or PMR. This involves systematically tensing and then relaxing different muscle groups while focusing on your breathing. Research shows PMR is especially effective for chronic neck or low back pain, helping you sleep better and feel less anxious. Mindfulness-based stress reduction, or MBSR, is another powerful tool. Studies reveal that mindfulness practices can transform your experience of pain by reducing repetitive thoughts, building better acceptance, and fostering stronger self-compassion. To get started, aim for 10 to 15 minutes of daily mindfulness practice. As you become more comfortable, you can extend this duration. Many individuals find that consistent mindfulness practice can even lessen their reliance on pain medication. Please make sure to review today's exercise, as it will help you reflect on what induces stress and what brings peace to your life. Remember, mindfulness is a journey. Each step you take brings you closer to better managing your chronic condition. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips in our series. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your treatment plan. This video is for educational purposes only and not to be taken as medical advice. See you soon!